Hi, it's Dr. Arif Rajpura here, Director of Public Health for Blackpool Council, and here to give you another update on where we are with the coronavirus pandemic here in Blackpool. The first thing I should say is that please look for trusted sources of information. I know there's all sorts of things that are out there in the media around rates and local areas of concern, etc., etc. Please come to trusted sources and we'll give you a link at the end of this video of all the websites where you can get the latest information. So there's the government website and there's our local Blackpool Council website, so please go onto those websites to get the information. Over the last week we've had low level of cases. We've had 16 cases in the last 7 days, but of course we mustn't get complacent. I keep saying this every week, and I need to keep reiterating that we need to continue to follow the guidance. So social distancing, hand washing, using hand sanitizer if you can't wash your hands, catch it, bin it, kill it, all of those things, along with wearing a face covering where it's necessary, and engaging with the test, track and trace system if you're symptomatic, getting a test. Thank you to all of those people that have been following the guidance in Blackpool. As I said, we cannot let our guard down, and we must work together to make sure that the rates continue to be at a low level as they currently are. I've just mentioned face coverings. It's really important that everyone continues to wear face coverings where they're required. So on public transport, in supermarkets, other indoor places, shops, please continue to wear them. You'll see our campaign, which is "Don't make us ask, wear a mask." And that's really important. We know businesses have been working really hard to make their businesses COVID secure, and so we all need to engage with that and make sure we're following the guidance on social distancing and wearing a face mask. If you're not exempt from wearing a face mask, you must absolutely wear a face mask, or covering, I should say. You will see more and more public spaces opening up, so it's really important that if you go into a restaurant or a pub, if the business is, and it should be, asking you for your details, then please give that business your details, because it's really important for the test, track and trace system. So please provide your details. Those will be kept securely by the businesses. They've got strict information on how to handle personal information, and that information gets destroyed after 21 days. So please share your details, because it's really important for the testing and tracing purpose. For those people that test positive and need to self-isolate and don't have a support network around them, we've still got the Corona Kindness service, which is still available to people that need that support. So if you're finding it difficult to get that support, whether it be for food deliveries or for getting essential medicines, contact our Corona Kindness scheme, details of which again will be at the end of this video. There's a team of local volunteers available and to provide that help. The other thing that you'll be seeing is our back to school campaign. There isn't a great deal of the summer holiday break left now, and we're looking forward to welcoming children back into schools as they reopen in September. We're closely working with the government and local schools to make sure all the measures are in place for a safe return for children back to the classroom. A safe and secure environment is our #1 priority when it comes to our children, and measures are in place to include enhanced cleaning, sanitising stations across the school, staggered pick-up and drop-off times, ensuring that children are working within their bubbles as far as possible, and to minimise contact and maintain social distancing with other people within the school. There's clear evidence that the risk of COVID-19 to children is much lower than it is for the adult population. The negative health impacts of keeping young people out of school is great, and we need to ensure that we get children back into schools in a safe way in September. So we'll be doing everything we can, working with our schools and government, to make sure that happens in September. So it just leaves me to say a big thank you to everyone for doing your part and helping to keep the rates low as they are in Blackpool. Please continue to do that. We don't want an outbreak. We don't want to see cases rise as they have done in other parts of the county, and we need to all do our bit. I've mentioned several links and supportive resources throughout this video. If you need further information and advice, have a look at these, and these will be available at the end of the video. Thanks once again for listening, and I'll see you on the next one next week.